Coming up in today's video, I talk to you about installing this long-term protective style on my natural hair of mini braids and twists, and I will talk to you about what to expect throughout the challenge, as well as showing you how I install this style on my natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong. Welcome and welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. It really does mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. So in my last video, I showed you how I parted my hair to get the long-term protective style in, and then the same night that I did that, I started off camera to install these mini braid stroke mini twists on my natural hair. So this is really one of the smallest set of braids, mini braids or mini twists I've done on my natural hair ever, and so it took a long time. The total installation time for this actually was a whole week. I will be counting how many mini braid stroke mini twists I have in an upcoming video, so also look out for that because it was a lot and it really did take a long time. So here I am at the second day, end of the second day, and I really did really well on this day. As you can see, because I parted in the section, I'm able to work through each section. But what is very clear in this video is that these ended up being more mini twists than mini braids. I think when my partings were happening, they were so small, I thought I'd have time to go back and really braid more of this hair, but it was just so much work that I just kept them as that. Now, mini braids and mini twists both give you excellent growth, and I've covered them in playlists before on my channel. So if this is your first video, welcome to my channel. First of all, I make videos on growing your natural hair long. Go ahead and check out my playlist section for all my previous challenges. They will help you a lot, telling you the benefits and the drawbacks of using these as long-term protective style. Now with the braid and twist, they have their own set of drawbacks and advantages, so I'll be covering that in an upcoming video as well. So as I spoke about before, one of the main things about having good growth at the end of a long-term protective style is to ensure that you've properly prepared for this long-term protective style. Now you want to check out my video to show you how I prepared for this long-term protective style in order to help you to grow your natural hair long. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. On Simply Shev, we are growing our natural hair long, healthy and strong in 2024, and to that end there'll be loads of challenges. If you've missed my cornrow hair growth challenge, which is my first challenge for this year, go ahead and check out that playlist. Plenty of information on using that method for growing your natural hair long. So I'm going to say the rules of this challenge is very simple, as they are with all of my challenge. Mainly keep your hair in a long-term protective style. And I said before that, prepare your hair for your long-term protective style, as you saw me do in my previous video. Then have a long-term protective style, mini braids, mini twists, or a bit of both, like this hairstyle is. Make sure that you have access to your scalp. You're going to make sure that your hair is clean and conditioned, and that you're going to use one growth aid. You're going to keep your protective style in for a minimum of 4 weeks, and I'm going to a maximum of 8 weeks. So this is an 8-week challenge, so be prepared for that and gear up. There'll be lots of videos week by week, once again motivating you on this challenge on how to grow your natural hair. You've been with me a while, you know I've never had long hair before, and so these methods that I do on my channel is really how I grew my natural hair, how I'm growing my natural hair, and I'm showing you how to do that. It's really simple hair care, using your own natural hair and really taking good care of your hair. You're able to get to great lengths, and I always say, if I can do it, then anyone can. So once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel for plenty of content. So I'm actually not quite sure why these mini braid stroke mini twists ended up being so small, but they really turned out great, really showing off the length of my hair in a good way. And because they were mainly mini twists rather than mini braids, they were really easy to install. I'm showing you a length shot there, showing you the length of my hair as a motivation and inspiration to grow your natural hair. I simply cannot believe how easy it is to grow your natural hair. Once again, install this protective style with me if you're trying to get good growth. I know that by the end of this challenge, we should get at least an inch of hair. That's an inch more than you had before, so it's well worth doing. And so here we are on the third day. The main thing you'll need for installing this protective style is a bag load of patience. If your hair is like mine, 20 inches in some places, it will take you a very long time. So set aside enough time to be able to install this correctly. You want to also watch the partings that you are doing. Make sure your partings are quite clean and quite straight in order to maximize the styling options that you have, because the better your partings are, the more style you're able to show off in this style. Like all my challenges, I will be doing a styling suggestion video, so also look out for that in or wait to show you a way to wear this as a natural hairstyle. Once again, this video is the signal to start this braid and twist challenge in order to grow your natural hair. It's running for 8 weeks. The rules are really simple. Install a protective style and have access to your scalp. Maintain the length of your hair. Wash your hair as needed. We're not going to be washing our hair before 10 days. That's a new sort of change to my regimen this year, because I felt like I overwashed my hair last week. So that's going to be make sure that the length of our hair is clean and our scalp by washing it every 10 days or so. Applying a growth aid, really paying attention to your hair while it's in the protective style. You're welcome to wear anything over this protective style. If at all it gets too fizzy or you just want to change, you can definitely cover this up. You can even crochet braid over it if you like, because that's absolutely fine once the style is still installed. The style is still installed on your hair. Breaking down this installation into several days really helped me. I have problems with my hands, carpal tunnel, and so I can't be doing lots of twists to my hand or it will really hurt. So that is why it took me so long to install these on my hair. And of course, the longer your hair gets, the longer it's going to be to install these protective styles. So here I am coming to the end. This is my final row. I still cannot believe how long my hair is. It's looking great and healthy. And so here I am with the last few to get the installation done. Pop your names down below as a form of accountability if you are going to be in this challenge. I really would love to hear from you. If you have any questions while you're on the challenge, while we're on this challenge together, pop them down below. I'd love to hear from my community. If you have any tips, any suggestions, any comments at all, pop them down below. Remember to give this video a like, as that pushes this video up in the algorithm. Also, hit the notification bell when you subscribe. So also subscribe to this channel for plenty more information. Once again, this video is your signal to start this long-term protective style of 8 weeks, trying to get at least an inch and a half growth on our natural hair in the first quarter of 2024. I know that there's lots of ladies out there looking to grow their natural hair this year, and so these challenges are great for that. Great motivation, great inspiration, and weekly updates on how to get through it. And here are the results of this beautiful long-term protective style. Once again, my hair really looking beautiful and growing nicely, looking full, and I'm absolutely in love with this long-term protective style. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and God bless.